real quick. You know we got the Chrysler 300 door lights. We got the green, we got the white. Let me just switch over here. We got the red. Yo, man, you guys rocking with this one?
Shot from Curry!
Yo, and that was just a quick video, man. I just wanted to show you guys a little something I'm working on. I also got different colors. You know, we got the, man, my dog over there tripping. We got the yellows, we got the whites, we got the reds. You guys can see yellow, and then I think I got green in here somewhere. And green, or there we go, green. You know, just wanted to put a little something out there, man. This is something that I like, and I always thought was dope. And you know, just try to do different things, man. But I like these so far, man. These are just little phone decals, man. If you like these, man, you know, comment down below, say they dope. Comment down below, say they weak. Comment down below, say you already got one. Comment down below, say you got one. Comment down below and say you want one. If you need one, man, you can just go to the website, meanteam.xyz. I'm gonna put a QR code up on the screen. I've done that before. And you know, in case you're watching on your TV and not on your phone, you can just click on that or whatever and go straight to the website. Also, there'll be a link in the description down below. And I just like it, man. I think I'm gonna put them at like $5, man. I'm not even gonna be grimy and put them at like $5.99, you know, because it's still $5. Now I'm gonna really make them $5. I think I might make them $5.49, man. So it's just a stamp, you know. Like, can we go even? Can we go half on the stamp at least? You know, damn, I'll make it $5.30. $5.30, man. And I'll ship you guys out one of these, man. I'll still pay for the envelope and all that, man. But you guys have something dope. And I think I'm gonna do a situation, man, where you guys also will be entered in to like win different things or whatever. Man, my car is super dirty, man. I'm just looking at it right now. Like, it's dirty, man. Look at that. I gotta do something about that. It was like raining here the last couple of days, so it's like off and on. It'll be 110 degrees, but then in the evening it'll rain. So it's like it's a weird situation, man. So it's like I'm scared to wash it. You know, but yeah, man, I think I'm gonna have like a little contest. Whoever like buy one of these, man, every month or whatever, I'll give some away. Comment down below, man, if you guys want me to like come out with different like emblems and decals like monthly. I can do something like that. And shit, man, honestly, man, I was thinking about turning on that little membership thing, and also, man, it'll be an easier way for me to, you know, see support who got the decals or whatever, you know, when you guys comment down below and all that, man. It's just another way for me to connect with you guys, man. And I think it'll be dope, man. You just talk trash. Just if you got the little decal, if you got the little, you know, the icon when you post and you say something or whatever, man, I automatically know that you rock. You know, and we cool and we family or whatever, man. So if you want to talk a little trash and you got the little special logo badge or whatever, I'm all with it, man. I respond. We can go at it like that, man. Have fun, because I know at the end of the day, you guys show some type of support, man. I appreciate that 100,000%, man. But anyway, man, this is just some little cheap little merch, Chrysler 300 merch that I think everybody should have. Not subscribed, 98%. God damn!